Hello, hello. Welcome to Speak Easy Podcast. I'm Emily, and this is episode 4.
And I'm Jay. Happy to be back with everyone.
Jay, how are you today?
I'm doing great, Emily. I've been practicing speaking every day like you said.
That's wonderful. Is it getting easier?
Yes, I'm less nervous now. I actually talked to a tourist yesterday.
Really? Tell me about it.
Well, I was at the bus stop and this tourist asked me for directions. And you know what? I helped them.
That's fantastic. See, all that practice is working.
It felt really good. I was nervous at first, but then I just spoke, like you taught me.
Perfect. That's exactly what today's episode is about. We're going to practice daily conversations, real conversations that happen every day.
I love practical episodes like this.
Me too. So today we'll go through different situations. We'll practice what to say in each one. And listeners, you'll practice with us.
Should listeners repeat what we say?
Yes, repeat after us. Speak out loud. Don't just listen, actually practice speaking.
Okay, so where do we start?
Let's start at the very beginning of the day. Imagine you wake up, you're in your room, you go to the kitchen, your family or roommate is there. What do you say?
Good morning?
Perfect. Good morning is the most common greeting. Now, listeners, say it with me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Great. Now, what if someone asks you, how did you sleep?
I would say, I slept well, thank you.
Good. Or you can say, I slept great or pretty good, thanks. Let's practice. Jay, how did you sleep?
I slept great, thanks. How about you?
I slept well too. Thank you for asking. See, listeners, a simple morning conversation. Now you try. Say, I slept well, thanks.
Let's give them a moment to practice.
Good idea. Okay, moving on. After greeting, people often talk about breakfast. Jay, what are you having for breakfast?
I'm having cereal and orange juice.
Sounds good. Want some coffee?
No, thanks. I already had some.
Perfect. Did you hear that, listeners? Jay said, I already had some. This is a natural way to say you don't need something because you already have it.
We use already a lot in English, right?
Yes, already is very useful. I already ate. I already did my homework. I already called her. It shows something is complete.
That's helpful. What happens after breakfast?
Good question. After breakfast, you might need to leave the house. Maybe you're going to work or school. What do you say before leaving?
I'm leaving now? Or I'm heading out?
Perfect. Both are great. You can also say, I've got to go, or time to go. And what does the other person say?
Bye, or see you later?
Yes, or have a good day. This is very common.
Have a good day. I hear this all the time.
It's a friendly way to say goodbye. Now, let's practice a morning goodbye. I'll be the roommate. You're leaving for work. Ready?
Ready.
Heading out?
Yeah, I've got to go. Don't want to be late.
Okay, have a good day.
Thanks. You too. See you tonight.
Bye.
That felt natural.
It was. Listeners, practice that conversation. Imagine you're leaving home. Say, I've got to go. Have a good day.
What happens next? Now I'm outside, right?
Right. So imagine you're walking to the bus stop or subway. You see your neighbor. They're also going to work. What do you say?
Good morning.
Yes, or just morning. Since you see your neighbor often, you can be more casual.
And they might say, morning, how's it going?
Exactly. And you say,
Good, thanks. How about you?
perfect. This is called small talk, light, friendly conversation. It happens all the time in English-speaking countries.
Small talk is important, right? We talked about this before.
Very important. It shows you're friendly. It makes social situations comfortable. Now, let's practice. Jay, imagine I'm your neighbor. Morning.
Oh, hey, morning. How's it going?
Not bad, thanks. Headed to work?
Yeah, you too?
Yep. Have a good one.
You too.
See? Short, friendly, simple. That's small talk.
It's not complicated at all.
Not at all. Now, you're on the bus or subway. Someone accidentally bumps into you. What do they say?
Sorry, or excuse me.
Right. And what do you say back?
No problem, or it's okay.
Perfect. You can also say no worries or that's all right. Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after me. No problem.
No worries.
That's all right.
These are all polite responses.
Yes, very polite and very common. Now, you arrive at work or school. You see a colleague or classmates. What do you say?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. And they say, I'm good, thanks. Did you see the game last night?
Oh, maybe I say, no, I missed it. Was it good?
Perfect. See how the conversation flows? One question leads to another. This is natural conversation.
So conversations are like back and forth?
Exactly, like a tennis match. You say something, they respond, you respond back and forth.
That makes sense.
Now, imagine it's coffee break time. Your colleague asks, want to grab a coffee?
I say, sure, sounds good.
Great. Or, yeah, I could use some coffee. This means, yes, I need coffee.
I could use some coffee. That's a good phrase.
Very useful. You can say, I could use a break, or I could use some help. It means I need, but sounds more casual.
Let me try. I could use a vacation.
Perfect. We all could. Okay, so you're at the coffee shop with your colleague. The barista asks, what can I get for you?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Good. Or, I'll have a cappuccino, please. Both work.
I'll have is more common, right?
Yes, I'll have is very standard for ordering. Now, the barista might ask, what size?
Medium, please.
Perfect. And then, for here or to go?
To go, please.
Excellent. Let's practice this whole interaction. I'll be the barista. Next.
Hi, can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure, for here or to go?
To go, please.
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. It'll be ready in a minute.
Thanks.
Great job, Jay. Listeners, practice ordering at a coffee shop. Say, I'll have a medium coffee, please.
What about paying? What do we say?
Good question. When you give money, you can say, here you go, or just hand them the card silently. When you get your change or receipt, they say, here's your change, and you say, thank you.
Simple.
Very simple. Okay, now you're back at work. It's lunchtime. A colleague asks, what are you doing for lunch?
I might say, I brought lunch today, or I'm going out to eat.
Perfect. And if they say, want to join us? We're going to that Italian place. What do you say?
If I want to go, I say, sure, sounds great.
Yes. And if you can't go?
I can't today, but thanks for asking.
Excellent. That's polite. You decline, but you're still friendly. Now, let's say you do go to lunch. At the restaurant, the waiter comes to your table. What does the waiter say?
Hi, how are you folks doing today?
Good. Folks is a casual word for people, and you respond, we're good, thanks. Perfect. Then the waiter says, can I get you started with some drinks?
And I say, I'll have water, please.
Great. Now, after you look at the menu, the waiter asks, are you ready to order?
If I'm ready, I say, yes, I'll have the pasta, please.
Good. And if you're not ready?
Can we have a few more minutes?
Perfect. Very polite. Now, let's practice. I'm the waiter. Are you folks ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. How would you like that cooked?
Well done, please.
And what side would you like, fries or salad?
Fries, please.
Perfect. I'll get that right out for you.
Thank you.
Excellent, Jay. Listeners, practice ordering at a restaurant. Say, I'll have the burger, please.
What about when the food arrives?
Good question. The waiter brings the food and says, here you go. Enjoy your meal.
And we say, thank you.
Exactly. Then, while you're eating, the waiter might come back and ask, how is everything?
And we say, it's great, thank you, or really good.
Perfect. Even if it's not perfect, we usually say it's good. It's polite. Now, when you finish eating, what do you need?
The check.
Right. How do you ask for it?
Can we get the check, please?
Perfect. Or, check please, when the waiter walks by. Remember, in Britain, they say bill instead of check.
Right. Can we have the bill, please?
Exactly. Now you pay and leave. What do you say to the waiter?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Wonderful. The waiter might say, thank you. Come back soon.
And we say, we will. Thanks.
Perfect. Okay, now you're back at work. It's afternoon. You're working at your desk. A colleague walks by and says, hey, got a minute?
This means they want to talk to me, right?
Yes, got a minute means do you have time to talk? If you have time, you say,
Sure, what's up?
great. And they might say, I need your help with something.
And I say, no problem. What do you need?
Perfect. See how helpful and friendly that sounds? Now imagine they explain the problem. You help them. They say, thanks so much. You're a lifesaver.
Lifesaver. What's that?
It's an expression. It means you saved me. You helped me a lot. It's a compliment.
Oh, so I should say happy to help or anytime.
Exactly. Both are perfect responses. Anytime means I'm always happy to help you.
That's a nice thing to say.
It is. Okay, it's late afternoon. You're getting tired. Your colleague says, long day, huh?
I say, yeah, definitely. Ready for it to be over.
Perfect. Very natural. And they might say, tell me about it.
Tell me about it. That means I agree?
Yes. Tell me about it means I feel the same way. I agree completely. It's a very common expression.
So if someone says, traffic was terrible today, I can say, tell me about it.
Exactly, you got it. Okay, now it's time to leave work. You're packing up your things. Your colleague says, leaving already?
I say, yeah, I have to pick up my sister, or something like that.
Perfect, give a reason. And they say, okay, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Excellent. Have a good night is common when leaving in the evening.
What if it's Friday?
Then you say, have a great weekend. This is very common on Friday evenings.
And they say, you too, or same to you.
Exactly. Same to you means I wish the same for you. Very useful phrase.
I like that. Same to you.
Great. Now you're on your way home. You stop at the supermarket. You're looking for something. An employee walks by. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Good. Or, excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Direct question.
Yes, direct is fine. The employee might say, sure, it's in aisle 5.
Aisle 5. Okay. And I say, thank you.
Perfect. They might say, no problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will do. Is that a good response?
Excellent response. Will do means, yes, I will do that. Very casual and common.
English has so many short expressions.
It does. We like to keep things short and casual. Okay, you're at the checkout. The cashier says, hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Great. They scan your items and say, that'll be $35.
And I give them my card.
Yes, or cash. They might say cash or card.
Card, please.
Good. After you pay, they say, here's your receipt. Have a good evening.
Thank you, you too.
Perfect. Let's practice this quickly. I'm the cashier. Hi there, find everything okay?
Yes, I did, thanks.
Great. That'll be $22.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Thanks, you too.
Excellent, Jay. Listeners, practice shopping conversations. They're very common.
What happens when I get home?
Good question. You open the door. If someone's home, you might say, I'm home.
Just, I'm home?
Yes, it's common to announce your home. Family or roommates might say, hey, how was your day?
And I say, it was good, pretty busy though.
Perfect. They might ask, did you eat?
If I did, I say, yeah, I grabbed something on the way home.
Good. I grabbed something means I got some food quickly. And if you didn't eat,
Not yet, I'm starving.
perfect. I'm starving means I'm very hungry. So they might say, want to order pizza?
Exactly. And you say,
Sure, that sounds great.
perfect. So you call the pizza place. Let's practice. I'll be the pizza place employee. Tony's Pizza, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Sure, what size and what toppings?
Large with pepperoni and mushrooms.
Great, and what's your address?
It's 123 Main Street, apartment 4B.
Perfect, and your phone number?
555-0123.
Okay, that'll be about 30 minutes. Total is $18.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon. That was easy.
Ordering food by phone is very common. Good practice. Now, while you wait for pizza, you might watch TV with your roommate. They ask, what do you want to watch?
I don't care. You pick.
Very natural. I don't care in this context means I don't have a preference. It's casual with friends.
What if I do have a preference?
You can say, how about that new show everyone's talking about?
And they say, sounds good, and we start watching.
Exactly. Then the doorbell rings. The pizza's here.
I answer the door. The delivery person says, "Pizza for Jay?"
Right, and you say,
Yes, that's me.
good. They say, that'll be $18.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Perfect. Giving a tip. The delivery person says, thank you so much. Have a great night.
You too, thanks.
Excellent. Now you're eating pizza and watching TV. Your roommate says, this pizza is so good.
I say, I know, right?
Perfect. I know, right, is a very casual way to agree enthusiastically.
I hear young people say this all the time.
Yes, it's very popular. Okay, you finish eating, you're tired, you say to your roommate,
I'm exhausted. I think I'm gonna head to bed.
perfect, and they say,
Okay, good night.
exactly, and you say,
Night, see you tomorrow.
wonderful, and that's a full day of English conversations.
Wow, we covered so much.
We did, from morning to night. These are real conversations that happen every day.
And they're not complicated.
Not at all. They're simple, natural, everyday conversations. The key is practice.
Listeners should practice these, right?
Absolutely. Let's review the most important situations we covered today.
Okay, first, morning greetings. Good morning, how did you sleep?
Good. Second, leaving home. I've got to go. Have a good day.
Third, small talk with neighbors. Morning, how's it going?
Fourth, polite responses when someone bumps into you. No problem.
Fifth, work or school greetings. Hey, how are you?
Sixth, coffee break. Want to grab a coffee? I could use some coffee.
Seventh, ordering at coffee shops. I'll have a medium cappuccino, please.
Eighth, lunch invitations. Want to join us? Sounds great.
Ninth, ordering at restaurants. I'll have the pasta, please.
10th, asking for help at work. Got a minute? Sure, what's up?
11th, leaving work. See you tomorrow. Have a good night.
12th, shopping. Excuse me, where can I find?
13th, arriving home. I'm home. How was your day?
And 14th, ordering food and going to bed. I'm exhausted. Good night.
That's a complete day.
It is. Listeners, I want you to practice these conversations this week. Say them out loud, record yourself, practice with friends.
And remember, don't worry about being perfect.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Even if you make mistakes, keep talking.
Yes, every conversation is practice. Every mistake is a learning opportunity.
I feel more confident about having conversations now.
That's wonderful, Jay. That's exactly what we want for all our listeners.
Confidence comes from practice.
Absolutely. So everyone, your homework this week, have at least one conversation in English every day.
Even if it's just ordering coffee.
Yes, every conversation counts. And remember to smile, be polite, and don't be afraid.
People are usually very nice when you try to speak their language.
That's true. Most people appreciate the effort. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's episode.
We covered so many daily conversations.
We did, from waking up to going to sleep. Real English for real life.
Practice these conversations and you'll sound natural.
Exactly. Thank you all for listening to Speak Easy Podcast.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Happy learning.